Hi, my name is Mike Zygula. I'm 23 and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. Before coming to Dinking Training Institute, I was a paint prepper at a body shop. I just finished my 2 weeks at the Dinking Institute. I feel like I got a knowledge out of it. My technique is forming very good, and I feel like I could take it back to Chicago and practice it out there. I tried out PDR because I've seen a lot of guys come inside a body shop and they would charge a lot of money for them. So I thought, why not give me a try at it? And it's another source of income, so that's awesome. Thank you very much to the Dinking. I appreciate everything. I learned a lot. I'm going to take it back home with me, and I would recommend it to my friends. It's an awesome thing to do. Thank you.